adding a little bit of cheddar cheese to top off my eggs. Ooh. So I just made myself a little bit of scrambled eggs with red pepper and then heated up a shokupan, my favorite type of bread by the way. It's just so fluffy and good. I want to show you guys the new vlogging camera that I got, which is the Insta360 GO 3S. Like, look how adorably small and cute this is. I'm someone that also just carries around like tiny purses like this, so I love that this could just fit into anything that I carry. Plus, it also shoots in 4K and you could actually flip the screen over so when you're vlogging, it's facing you. One thing that I really love about this camera is that this part actually detaches and it's also magnetic, so you could stick it to anywhere and it just captures really great angles. While it's detached, you could actually see what's going on in the screen right here, so you always have visibility in what you're shooting. It also comes with this necklace that you wrap around your neck so you could get really cool POV shots. I actually really want to train Howell to wear a harness so I could attach this to his harness so that I could get his POV, because I've seen it everywhere on the internet, seeing other cats' POV, so I just really want to see what Howell's is like. This has honestly been one of my favorite cameras to vlog with these days, especially when I'm out and about, because sometimes in public when you have like the bigger cameras with you, people just tend to stare, and being a shy girl, I really like how discreet this is. Anyway, I figured I'd share this with you guys because not only do I really love it, and I'm actually excited to start using it in the summertime too for all of the cool summertime activities, but you guys are always curious what vlogging camera I use, so this has been my recent go-to one. I just wanted to quickly add that the rest of the video was actually filmed using this camera, and if you guys are interested in checking this out, I'll leave a link below in my description box. Alright, good morning guys. It's been so cold in Seattle these days. It's even been snowing, which is really crazy. I was not expecting this much snow. I did want to go to a workout this morning, but because of all the snow on the roads, I didn't really feel like dealing with a lot of the bad drivers, so I did not go. But it's okay, I'll go tomorrow. Anyway, I've just been doing some light computer work this morning and we don't have any berries at home, so I didn't really have like my usual chia seed pudding with berries for breakfast. So I think I'm just gonna head out to the store right now and kind of just get a break from the screen and get some fresh air in. All right, let's go. Kind of hard navigating, huh? We're currently at a little cafe in Bellevue and trying their sandwich. I usually come here for breakfast, so like eggs, pancakes, hash browns. This is my first time having their sandwich and I'm very impressed.
This is amazing. Believe it or not, this is only half of the sandwich. This is definitely something you can do. It is a kind of a high-priced sandwich, but you're getting a lot.
Oh my
Holy
gosh.
shit.
It's because
Why is
it
there a
went
line
viral. We wanted to go to Olympia Coffee, but the line is too long. We should come back on a weekday. It's because this is like Insta famous now. Alright, so we're going to Monorail Espresso instead, which is just across the street. This is actually a really famous coffee shop in Seattle. I haven't been. It'll be my first time trying their little stand.
We can still go inside your favorite.
Which one? Oh, still go inside. You want to? I'm not sure what building this is for, but it's so beautiful inside. I really love all of the green tiling here. And it's also really packed right now. It's Saturday, which I think is why it's filled with a bunch of students just studying. But I really love this area. I would recommend trying to come on a weekday instead because the weekends are just a little too packed. We're now on our way to Post Alley. It's this little pizza place, but they also have really good sandwiches there. I've never been, but I think it's time to try a pizza and sandwich. We just made it to Tacoma. The weather today has been so crazy. Snowing, sunny, and then raining. Like, the city just does not know which weather to choose right now. We're gonna have to wait 45 minutes for our sandwich, so we're gonna wander around this little area and check out some places. I think it's nearly been an hour and our food is still not ready. This better be a really good sandwich. But this weather right now, guys, it's like starting to snow a lot. Can you guys see all the snowflakes? It was actually a lot more snowier just a few minutes ago, but I really like it. It's so beautiful. Ah, this is what we've been waiting for.
This big right here is fucking packed.
This is my current editing session right next to the fire, and then I have my cat over here. He's so adorable. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this vlog. I just wanted to film a really quick intro, and I appreciate everyone's support and just for watching this vlog. I feel like at the start of 2025, I just feel super motivated to just create more content and be more consistent. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Don't forget to check out the link below to get 10% off your Insta360 GO 3S, and the first 10 orders will get a free gift using my code.